All right, so this morning I was in my GoHighLevel account and I noticed a few new things here. So I wanted to basically just cover what they are on a short little video. So if you have any sort of online product or any sort of course underneath the membership, you'll know that the memberships used to actually be underneath the sites or the site section. So now you can see here there's an actual membership section which is separate, and then you still have your normal stuff, courses, products, offers, analytics, all that stuff. But if we go into settings, one of the biggest updates that's coming from the town hall that GoHighLevel had for the month of June is this client portal. And I'm super excited to see kind of what it looks like and how it feels, how it works, because basically you'll see here this new client portal tab, and there's this domain setup section and branding. So this is obviously not everything that is going to be included in the client portal, but I'll walk you through basically what I found thus far and from my knowledge of what it will consist of. What else will be in here. So basically the client portal, from my understanding, is basically going to be a place where I guess you can call them clients, but clients, customers, however you want to position it, have like one central place to basically log in and access their resources associated with this particular sub account. So for example, let's just say that this sub account is, sells a course online or something like that. If somebody purchases that course, then basically in the client portal, the purchaser or the customer of that course has access to it within the client portal. And so they would basically go to this login link here. Let me make sure that this is set up here. But basically when they log in, let's see. Okay, there we go. So when they log in, previously they would just log in to see their, their core, like the course. But now if we sign up for like a new account, I'll just make a new account here pretending to be like a customer. Okay, so basically I created an account, so this would be, from my understanding, automatically created when a customer purchases the course or whatever that specific business is offering, right? And so this would be me as a customer, like this is what I would see, and then I don't have access to anything, so I could basically toggle between communities, which is what I'm interested to see what they do here. And so there's nothing to click on quite here, but basically if you clicked on that, that would show the forum or wherever people can post or whatever that would consist of. And then they could also access their courses here. So these would be courses that they purchased from this particular sub account. They would see all the courses, so this is probably where people can buy other courses that they haven't purchased that are just in this basically this section. So let's say you had 5 courses and this customer had only purchased one. In their My Courses, they would see that one course, be able to fully access it, and then under All Courses they would see all the other courses they could purchase. And from my understanding, they'd probably be able to purchase those additional courses with just one click, since their card info would be saved. And then the other thing that's interesting, because I think this is going to be more and more common, and even I'm personally doing it, which is affiliates. So basically within your sub account in GoHighLevel, right, you can basically create the like an affiliate program. So you can go here to your affiliate manager and basically set up the an affiliate program. So if you have an online course or a service or whatever it is that you're offering, as long as someone can purchase it through Stripe and you have it set up here within within GoHighLevel, basically let's say you have a product that's $100, you give out 50% to your affiliates. one time, then when that affiliate registers, they can send their own custom link to your product, and then basically this software, or this part of the software right now, pretty much just shows you who your affiliates are, how many leads they're getting, clicks, and how much you basically owe them. So it won't automatically pay them out or anything yet, but that's what you can do here. And so what's interesting is that up until now, the affiliates that have registered with me for my products, which is, basically we have a GoHighLevel for real estate investors. And, these affiliates will send out links or whatever they're doing to market. And they can't actually see like their dashboard, right? So if you're like a GoHighLevel affiliate, you'll know you have a dashboard. You can see your leads, your customers, and how much you've earned. And my thought here is that they're going to not only obviously provide this to affiliates of this particular sub account, but they're probably going to roll this client portal out to the agency owners and take the affiliate program in-house. So this is what it looks like so far. There's not too much to do here other than just pretty much, basically access the courses, I would say, or, have your own affiliate dashboard. So this looks like it's coming soon. Excited to see kind of what evolves from it. But this is what it looks like right now. So this is, I don't believe this is in the labs, so it should just be pushed out. But yeah, I don't see it here in the labs. So it should just be in your account under memberships and then client portal. So hope this update kind of gives you an idea of what's coming.